You cannot draw spousal Social Security unless your spouse is drawing your spouse's own benefits. So let's say I'm married to Dave, my husband, and I want to draw off him because his was much more than mine. But he's like, I don't want to retire at 65. I think I want to work till 70, 75. I don't know. I want to keep working. So I cannot draw off him unless he's drawing his own benefit. But I, like a lot of women, am tired. And I want to draw my benefit as early as possible, which would be age 62. So I can do that. I can draw my own, even though it might be a lot smaller. I'll draw my own at age 62. Now, when you draw Social Security early, you're taking a cut. You're taking a reduction. So if I draw mine at 62, I will only get 70% of my amount instead of 100% that I would have gotten if I waited to my full retirement age. And if you want these amounts at these different ages, get my Social Security cheat sheet. You can download it from my website, themedicarefamily.com. Go get it. It's an automatic program. Just put your email and it'll automatically go. If you don't see it right now, it's in your spam. It will tell you how much I could get at 62, which I said is 70%. Versus 63, which I don't have memorized, hence get the form, versus 64, 65, all the way up to my full retirement age. So if I want to take mine early, I'm going to lock in a reduction. Now I can't draw off my husband anyway because he didn't want to draw his. But let's say in 3 years he goes, I think I want to draw mine. Good, because now I can switch from my own Social Security, I can switch to a spousal amount. Now, I could draw up to 50% of his amount. But that ship already sailed with me because I already took mine early. So I already agreed to a reduction. So I'm only going to get a reduced amount of his. I will never get the full 50% of his amount because I took mine early. Again, that's all on my Social Security cheat sheet. That'll help you see those amounts. The key thing is I can't switch. So in this case, it's going to be 30% of his. If 30% of his is more than my own, I can call Social Security. I'm going to have to give them my marriage certificate to prove we're married. And they can switch me from my own Social Security retirement account to my spousal benefit, drawing off his amount. Now, when you draw off your spouse or an ex-spouse, it does not reduce theirs at all. It does not hurt them at all. And I would not draw my own plus theirs. Wouldn't that be nice? So I'm like, I was only getting $500 a month, but I can get $1,000 from him. I'm not going to get two. You'll always only get one Social Security benefit, whichever is higher, either my own or my spousal benefit. So if you'd like to know more, check out my website, themedicarefamily.com. There's a lot more common question and answers I get asked about spousal benefits. Go check it out. It's waiting there for you. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.